Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is Dependency Forming Medicines from NHS Business Services Authority. Let's have a look what we got. So there's several tables of data. There's data going back to March 2016. There's only 7,800 rows, but it is spread across a lot of tables. So well worth a look anyway. Let's have a look at this one. By age. So that just has age group and numbers. And the month, so this is across the country. We have by region. Oh, we've got ICB, Integrated Care Board. So that's the Integrated Care Boards, about 50 Integrated Care Boards in the country, and the numbers and the date. Several others. Let's say total items, total identified patients, and total items. I guess that they're dependent on. You can go to the description in the release details schema to get the description for each table. So plenty there. Follow the link in the description and get free access for 30 days to this and thousands of other open data sets. And let us know what you think. Thanks.